Now here's our Sportster rider you saw last week. Everybody said, yeah, let's put him on an electric glide and see what he does. Well, that's what I did. I think he knows the techniques, and he knows they work on every motorcycle. This is his very first time through. First time riding an electric glide. He's used to the Sportster. And all you people who made fun of him last week and said, well, hey, let me see him do it on a Gold Wing or electric glide. Well, there he is. Turn your head. You'll let them go outside of the cones. That helps them build up a little bit of speed. The idea being, if they go through it enough times going on the outside, they'll get used to going inside the cones. Tony, all those people that were making fun of you in the comment section on the Sportster last week, what do you got to say to them?
Well, they can watch me now.
Yeah, the techniques work on every bike, don't they?
They do. It's all about the rider, not the bike.
That's it. Show them how it's done. Tear it up. Ride it like you borrowed it from me. No problem at all. Ride it like he borrowed it. Later, he did borrow it. Got about an 8-degree lean going. Big improvement over 1 degree. Anthony, who was on the Sportster last week, and some of you made fun of him, said he can't do that on a big bike. Well, there he is. First time ever on a big bike, but he knows the techniques and he knows how to use them. So just for the comment section on YouTube, I'm allowing somebody to ride my motorcycle, and he's doing just fine. No, I want you to stay back from him. Getting much better. thing when it looks right. You got those techniques down, like a drill team. Here's Anthony riding my bike like he borrowed it. Here's Anthony on the Electra Glide. No problem. Takes 2 turns around, getting his money's worth.